Hi guys, Marilyn here again. So right now I'm going to show you how I delete all my screenshots using the terminal. As you can see, I'm using basic CLI commands like pwd, ls. Oops, I got some mistake here. I'm not planning to delete the pictures folder. So before I delete all my screenshots, let me show you all the screenshots that I need to delete. So let's go tell my computer to delete all the screenshots there using RM and the wildcard. So by doing this practice, deleting screenshots is quicker and using the terminal feels more normal. Thank you so much for taking time to watch my video. I hope one day I'll be very comfortable using the terminal.